What is up, fellas? We're gonna make this video quick as we can be. This is a 2023 Harley Freewheeler. We got it from Copart. It has an official rebuilt title now. It was not hit in the rear. We think the rear tire fell off, literally, and we think that because it had glow lights on it. So I think whoever did the glow lights didn't tighten that wheel because there was no bend damage or anything to it. It needed a fender wheel and a trunk because it had pushed up. But it's 2023. It wasn't even a month and change old when they bought it and put the miles on it. But it has the 654 miles right on the top. We did the LED fuel gauge on to show you that one. But you can see we did a little different. This is actually the Avalanche Gray, which you can see is the same as the giveaway bike. We did the same color scheme. Added the Harley Davidson all big. It's not a decal, it's painted under. On the rear, Reinhardt exhaust. That wheel is brand new because it was missing. But the wheels and everything else that are gloss black were sent out to local powder coating, and they actually are a little dirty right now, but they're actually a way shinier finish than what the factory is. It just looks way better. Blacked out the motor, which is a 114, did the red accents on here, did the intake, stuck a Star 3030 cam in there also. So I'll fire that up in a minute. Bad Dad chin spoiler, powdered the front end, painted the calipers on the front, painted the calipers on the rear. 10-inch bars, technically the Road Glide bars. We did the Yaffe front nacelle, which we are gonna redo this piece right here because they don't really have one for the Road Glide bars. They only make them for the regular Road King bars, which are skinny, so that piece is going to get redone, but that's a nacelle from Yaffe for the Trikes. And then you can see we did the number 1 on the tank right here like we did on the giveaway bike. And Bad Dad chin spoiler if I didn't mention it, but that's basically it. It's ready to rock. 27K takes it, but it's a killer looking bike for someone that wants something, you know, clean. And, you know, I think out the door you're going to walk out, you're going to pay like 35, 36 for one of these things. So you're saving out the bat right there, almost 10 grand. Get at us. You can shoot me an email at fbombaggers, FBOMBBAGGERS@gmail.com, and we will get back to you, or you can DM us on here if this is Instagram. Yeah, let me fire it up so you guys can hear it.